Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering ingredients and making the masa dough. Combine 2 cups masa harina with 1 cup warm water and 1 teaspoon salt, mixing until soft and not sticky. Rest the dough under a damp towel for 15 minutes while you season 2 cups cooked black beans with 1 teaspoon cumin and 1 teaspoon oregano and heat them gently. Shred 2 cups cheese, slice 1 cup cabbage thinly, chop 1 medium tomato and 1 small onion, and ready 2 tablespoons sour cream for finishing. Form the tortillas by dividing dough into 6 golf ball-sized portions and pressing each into a 6-inch circle using a tortilla press or a heavy pan between plastic sheets. Heat a skillet with 1 tablespoon oil and fry each tortilla for about 45 seconds per side until light brown and cooked through. Drain on paper towel. Spoon about 3 tablespoons of the seasoned black beans onto each fried tortilla, fold into a shallow bowl shape, and keep warm on a baking tray in a 200 degrees F oven while you assemble toppings. To assemble, place each fried, bean-filled tortilla on a plate and add 2 tablespoons of fresh tomato and onion salsa, then sprinkle 2 tablespoons shredded cheese over the top. Garnish with 1 tablespoon sour cream, 2 tablespoons shredded cabbage, and a squeeze of lime or a pinch of salt to brighten flavors. Serve immediately while warm. For leftovers, cool to room temperature no more than 2 hours. Then refrigerate in an airtight container and consume within 3 days or reheat in a 350 degrees F oven until hot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.